Tigers, Panthera tigris, are one of the most famous wild animals and symbolize strength and bravery. Physical characteristics. Size. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family, weighing between 90 and 300 kilograms, depending on the subspecies. The Bengal tiger is the largest among them. Coloration. Their fur is orange with distinctive black stripes, which helps them camouflage in their natural environment. Distribution. Tigers primarily inhabit tropical forests, rainforests, and grasslands in Asia, ranging from India and China to Southeast Asian countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia. Behavior. Hunting. Tigers are carnivorous and primarily hunt at night. They are highly adaptable hunters, preying on animals like deer, wild boar, and buffalo. Solitary. Tigers are solitary animals, usually operating alone, except during the breeding season and when raising cubs. Reproduction. The gestation period for tigers is about 93 to 112 days. Each litter can consist of 2 to 4 cubs. The cubs stay with their mother until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Conservation status. Tigers face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and declining prey populations. It is estimated that wild tiger numbers have drastically decreased, and they are listed as endangered.